Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making some quick and easy planters using mostly Dollar Tree items. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. And now let's craft. Starting with my first project, I will be making a hanging planter using this Dollar Tree wood box. Now I'm not using the lid, I'm only using like the bottom part, and I'm going to paint this using the Walmart Waverly Antique Wax. Since this is going to be hanging, I will be painting the bottom. While that is drying, I will be making a tassel using this jute twine that I got from Walmart, and I'm using the lid. Then I'm going to cut two more pieces. Now you want to make sure you cut them long enough. I actually cut mine way too short, so my planter was hanging very high. Now after I am done cutting the two strings, I'm going to weave one through the tassel, and I'm going to glue it like this, and then the other one I'm going to cut it in half and glue it the other way. The greenery I'm using is from Dollar Tree, and I'm also using some other greenery that I had just to fill it in. But that is it. That's all the greenery I'm using, and at the top I'm just going to make a knot. Now this is what I'm saying, that I didn't cut my strings long enough. That is why it is like so short. But that is it for this beautiful hanging planter. For my next project, I will be using this Dollar Tree jar that I recently found, and some of this Dollar Tree burlap fabric. Now this is new to Dollar Tree. I'm going to actually use one that I already opened, but I'm going to cut a circle. Then I'm going to add it inside the jar, and whatever is like out, I'm going to cut it. To decorate it some more, I will be adding some jute twine at the top. With that same jute twine, I am going to make a bow. The last thing I did is add some of the Dollar Tree floral. Look how beautiful this is. I recently found it. And that is it for this beautiful planter. For my next planter, I will be using this buffalo check pencil holder. Now to decorate this, I'm using the same burlap fabric, and I'm going to just cut a strip off. This was too thick, so I did have to cut it some to make it thinner, and then I glued it on the pencil holder. To decorate this a little more, I added some jute twine around it, made a bow, and added the bow. The last thing I did is add some of this Walmart greenery, but that is it. Look how beautiful this turned out. For my next planter, I will be using this little plastic container that I got from Dollar Tree. 3 come in a pack. Now this is very simple. All I did was use some jute twine to decorate this. I just added it to the top part. I then added a bead on each side of a piece of the string, then made a bow and added this on the corner. And that is it. Look how cute this turned out. And that is it. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and until next time, bye.